Welcome back to AI Brief, episode 70. Wow, it seems like every week brings some new development in AI.
For sure.
Today, we are going to dive into a few recent developments that are showing us just how much AI is becoming a part of our daily lives.
Yeah, it's incredible.
From revolutionary new smartphones to tools that can generate entire reports, the pace of innovation is pretty remarkable. So, let's start with a development that might change how we use our phones completely. Have you heard about Deutsche Telekom?
I have.
They're partnering with Perplexity
Yes.
to create something they are calling the AI phone. Imagine having Perplexity Assistant right there on your lock screen,
Wow.
ready to help you with absolutely anything you need.
It really makes you wonder, will we even need individual apps in the future if AI can just handle it all?
Right. It also integrates with Google Cloud AI for real-time translation
Oh, cool.
and 11 Labs for podcast creation, accessible right from that central AI assistant.
That level of integration is really interesting. AI is becoming like the central nervous system of our digital lives.
I see what you mean.
It's not just about isolated tools anymore. It's about creating one seamless and intelligent experience across all our devices.
Absolutely. And speaking of exciting AI companies, Anthropic just secured a massive $3.5 billion in funding, giving them a valuation of, get this, $61.5 billion.
Wow.
That puts them right up there with industry giants.
Right up there with OpenAI.
Exactly.
This is particularly interesting considering, all the recent concerns around that other AI startup, DeepSeek.
Yeah, what happened there?
I think investors are still very bullish on the potential of AI, especially companies like Anthropic that are focused on this idea of safe and reliable AI systems.
That seems to be a key differentiator in the market right now.
Definitely.
Their latest AI model, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, is already making some serious waves.
Yeah, I've heard about that.
It's being integrated into Amazon's Alexa Plus, giving it a big boost in its capabilities.
And it's not just voice assistants. Anthropic is positioning Claude as a really versatile AI assistant capable of handling a variety of tasks, everything from research to creative writing tasks.
Okay, now let's move to healthcare.
Okay.
Microsoft just announced their new AI assistant. It's called Dragon Copilot, and it's designed specifically for healthcare professionals.
This is a game changer. Dragon Copilot uses voice recognition and ambient listening to automatically generate, things like clinical notes and referral letters, the tasks that take up so much of a clinician's time.
Imagine if doctors had more time to focus on their patients rather than paperwork.
Less burnout.
Right. And ultimately, better care.
Much better care. It also raises a really interesting question.
What's that?
If AI can handle these administrative tasks, how else can we use it to revolutionize healthcare?
The possibilities seem huge.
Huge, and we're just starting to, scratch the surface.
Let's do a quick rapid-fire round of other important AI news. Okay. Opera has become the first major browser to integrate an AI agent right into its platform.
Interesting.
It's making it even easier for users to use AI-powered features.
I like that.
On the hardware side, TSMC, the big chip manufacturer, is putting a ton of money into U.S. chip production.
Okay.
This just highlights that global competition to dominate AI chip manufacturing.
Which is really a critical component in the development of AI.
Exactly. And Alphabet just released a new data science agent. It can analyze data and come up with insights just using simple text prompts.
Wow. So they are putting the power of data analysis into the hands of anyone who can, use a keyboard.
Exactly.
These developments really show how fast AI is evolving and becoming a part of every part of our digital lives.
Okay. Let's look at some of the specific AI tools that are trending right now.
All right.
Let's start with ARI. It's a research agent that can generate entire professional reports in, minutes.
This is really useful for, anyone who needs to summarize info quickly and create polished reports.
And then there's Microsoft's AI assistant, Copilot. It's now available on Mac OS, so it's reaching even more users.
Oh, nice.
And for those of you working with video, there's Small VLM 2. It's a set of small but powerful models that are designed for video understanding. The models are so small that they can run on less powerful devices.
I see.
This could really change how we use on-device AI.
Yeah, that's a big deal.
And Spotify's Fendaway Voices platform now lets you create and publish AI-powered audiobooks.
Cool.
It's a game changer for accessibility and could open up so much new content for listeners.
This really highlights how AI can help individuals and creators do things that used to require, huge teams and resources.
We've got a lot more AI tools to talk about, but first, let's go back to that AI phone from Deutsche Telekom and Perplexity.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
The potential of this device is really exciting. Imagine a phone that not only anticipates your needs, but also learns what you like and how you behave over time.
It's a really interesting idea.
It will be interesting to see if people really embrace this new way of using a smartphone.
Especially with Perplexity leading the way, I think they are quickly becoming a major player in this space.
I agree with you on that.
Yeah.
But for now, let's talk about some other tools that have caught our attention.
Okay, let's do it.
There is so much to explore here, and each one offers a unique look at how AI is changing the way we work, how we create, and how we interact with the world.
I agree. It's fascinating. There's this one called Lindy.
Lindy, okay.
It helps you build AI agents in minutes to automate tasks like email management and customer service calls.
Oh, wow.
Even sales outreach.
It's like having a whole team of virtual assistants
Yeah, okay.
working for you 24/7.
And if you're in marketing, there's Ads Rapido.
Mads Rapido.
It analyzes your competitors' ad strategies
Oh, cool.
in just seconds, giving you insights to refine your own campaigns.
That would save a ton of time and effort
For sure, it's like having a secret weapon.
for success.
Exactly. Another one I thought was interesting is Throws AI.
It was AI.
It takes videos and breaks them down into smart summaries and timestamps.
Oh, so you don't have to watch the whole thing.
You don't have to watch the whole thing, perfect for busy professionals.
Yeah. Or anyone trying to get through a bunch of video content.
And for people who are trying to build websites or apps or even whole businesses, there's MGX.
MG?
It's like having a whole AI team of experts,
Okay.
like a project manager, an architect engineer, and a data analyst,
Wow.
ready to help you bring your ideas to life.
It's crazy how much easier it is now
I know, right?
to launch a big project.
AI is changing everything, and it's not just about work either.
No.
There's Mubert. It's an AI platform that creates personalized soundtracks
Oh, wow.
and tunes.
So like an AI composer
Yeah,
making the perfect music for every mood.
exactly like having a personal DJ
Always with you.
in your pocket.
And for people in sales, there's Dextra.
Dextra,
It's an AI assistant that gives you insights and guidance to help you close deals.
like a virtual sales coach,
I like that.
helping you refine your strategy.
To make the most of every opportunity.
Exactly.
These tools are so cool.
AI.
They show all the different ways AI is affecting us.
Yeah, from being more productive to being more creative.
It's clear that AI is a huge part of how we work, how we create, how we interact.
Of everything.
It's such an exciting time to see how all these advancements are playing out. We've covered a lot today, from those new smartphones to AI assistants for doctors,
And all those cool tools.
each one designed to address a certain need and enhance our capabilities.
It's amazing.
AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore.
It's here.
It's here now, and it's already changing things in ways we couldn't have imagined.
I know, it's so exciting.
So what does all this mean for our listeners?
It means we're living in a time of huge opportunity. AI can empower us, automate those boring tasks.
And help us make better decisions.
It's also really important to stay informed and engaged. The AI landscape is changing so fast.
We have to keep up.
We need to understand how these technologies work and use them responsibly.
And that's where AI Brief comes in,
That's right. We're here to help you through all of it,
to show you what's important and give you some insights.
so you can navigate the AI revolution.
So as we finish up this deep dive into AI, we want to encourage everyone to be curious, keep learning about AI, and don't be afraid to try out these new tools. You might find your new favorite AI assistant, or you might even find a whole new creative side of yourself.
And if you like this episode of AI Brief, tell your friends who are interested in AI about it. And don't forget to follow the show for more deep dives into AI.
Until then, keep learning, stay ahead of the game. This is AI Brief, signing off.